Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you something very simple. I'm going to be showing you how I designed the glass morphism effects and how you can also achieve it very easily right here in Photoshop. But before we get started, I'd like you to like this video, comment, share it to someone you think might need it, and even subscribe. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to be using pixels, and my size is going to be 1920 by 1080. I'm going to leave my resolution at 72. So let's create a workspace. So right here, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the image I'm going to be using. So this is it. So now we brought it in, we are going to transform it and make it bigger. So you can hold your Alt to transform it and just enlarge it like this. Alright, now that we've enlarged this, we can just click on this good. So once you've done this, what you want to do is you want to duplicate it. So press Ctrl J and you duplicate it. Now hide that duplicated layer, click on the first layer. So we can actually delete this background, this white background. So unlock it and then drag it down to delete it. Alright, so now we are on this first layer. On this first layer, you can now go to the rectangle tool and then we can make a rectangle like this. Okay, and then we can increase this to like make the edges rounded a bit. Okay, let's remove this stroke and then let's change it to white. I prefer white. So let's go to our move tool and centralize it in the middle. Alright, so now that we have this rectangle here, we can go back to our topmost layer. So we can unhide it, and what we are going to do is you go to your filter and then you go to blur, you go to Gaussian blur. So we are going to use 12.5 for this. So you can copy my settings to get the same results I'm getting. You can click on OK. Now that same layer we just added the Gaussian blur to, we are going to go back to filter and then choose filter gallery up here. In filter gallery, we are going to click on distort. When you get to filter gallery, click on distort and then click on glass, and this is what gives us the glass effect. Now this is very important. Look at my settings. In distortion, my setting is 6, in smoothness is 2, the texture is frosted, and the scaling is 133. Now you're free to adjust these settings the way you like and play around with it and to see what you get. And in fact, I recommend doing that because that's one of the fastest way to like learn and grow. However, if you want to get the same results I got, then you can use these exact same settings. Alright, so click OK. Now we have both our Gaussian blur and our filter gallery. We are going to right click that layer and we are going to create clipping mask. So now we've clipped that topmost layer to the rectangle. So you're not really going to see the difference because the rectangle is just standing plain on its own. So we are going to add some effects to that rectangle. So right click on the rectangle and go to blending options. Alright, so now in blending options, what we are going to do is we are going to add a drop shadow. So you can see my settings here. Can just copy my settings, my opacity, distance, spread, size, everything to get the same results I'm getting. And then we can also go to our stroke. Alright, my size is 6, the position is outside, the blend mode is normal, and then I reduce the opacity to 32. So we can click on OK. Now we just adding the drop shadow and the opacity. We can now differentiate the rectangle that has the glass effect from the background. Alright, so that is how you achieve the glass morphism effects. Okay, if we zoom in, sorry about that, if we zoom in, you're going to see the effect even better. Alright, and one good thing about this is if you hold the rectangle, you can actually drag it anywhere you want and it's going to maintain that effect no matter where you put it. Alright, it's going to maintain that rectangle, it's going to maintain the effect. Right, so this is how you achieve glass morphism effects here in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please do me a favor and like this video, share it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.